A lot of people have been asking me if the Redmi K20 Pro is a good upgrade to the Pocophone F1, and I've been saying no. And in today's video, we're just gonna have a speed test so you guys can see how the two phones compare for day-to-day tasks. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. Before we jump into the speed test, I want to go ahead and thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. Without your continued support, I really couldn't keep the channel going. Big shout out to my Telegram community. This is something that people in the community wanted to see from me, and if you guys want to interact with me more, go ahead and check out the Telegram community that I'm part of in the description down below. Also, I have been working with some really talented writers, and I'm updating my website like twice a week now, if not more, with written content. We just did a great article about why the lack of Mi 9T Pro means that we're probably gonna see a Pocophone F2. If you guys wanna read the article, go ahead and check it out in the description. Okay, enough talking, let's just hop into the speed test. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to put up these three speed tests side by side. We have the Poco F1, the Xiaomi Mi 9, and the Redmi K20 Pro. And let's just start running through some tasks. Okay, now as you guys can see, there is not a whole lot of difference between the Redmi K20 Pro and the Pocophone F1 or the Mi 9, especially for a lot of kind of day-to-day tasks. Something also to note that it's really once we get into gaming that you guys will see a bigger difference, or when we try to launch PUBG. Going back through all the applications, you guys can see that both devices held all of the applications in RAM. It is worth noting that all of these devices have 6 gigabytes of RAM. Now that we finished the speed test, I wanted to do some direct side-by-side comparisons just so you guys can see app opening speeds. Once the apps are in RAM, they all open at almost the exact same time. As you guys can see, the difference between these devices isn't a lot, even with the accidental finger presses and the fact that this isn't necessarily a scientific test. You guys can see that there is not a great deal of speed difference between the K20 Pro, the Mi 9, or the Pocophone F1. Now, if you have a Pocophone that has display issues that haven't been fixed, or if your device is defective, then you should upgrade from a defective device. If your Pocophone F2 is just working normally and there's no issues that you have, then there would be no reason for you to go ahead and upgrade. I would save my money and get headphones or get something else to kind of enrich my mobile experience. I know this isn't an answer that a lot of people want to see. A lot of my Indian audience is pretty angry about this, but I don't see a compelling reason necessarily to upgrade from the Poco F1 to the Redmi K20 Pro. Both devices have similar camera performance. The IMX363 is pretty comparable to the IMX 586, at least until we get more optimization for that. And the software experience on the Poco F1, at least in this point in time, is better than what we have on the Redmi K20 Pro. So if you are really unhappy with your device, then go ahead and get the Redmi K20 Pro. Make sure to use my affiliate links and support me. But ultimately, I would tell most users to save their money. Till next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you here from Hanoi. If you guys want to see more videos about the Poco F1, click or tap this playlist. If you guys want to see more videos about the Redmi K20 Pro, click or tap this playlist. I'll see you soon. Peace.